Hello, my name is Ariel, and I want to give you some tips for the first week of college. The first tip is, check your email. Make sure that you check your email several days before your class begins, and check your email the morning of your class. Be sure to read the entire email and take notes. The second tip is, check your class website. Make sure that you check the learning management system for your class. It could be Blackboard or Canvas, depending on what learning management system your school uses. Read all of the information on your class website and take notes. The third tip is, check your schedule. Make sure that you check your online schedule the day before your class begins. Sometimes the room number changes, and you don't want to go to the wrong room. The fourth tip is, arrive to class on time. Professors don't like it when students are late to class. If you have not been to the room where the class is held, look at a map of the school a few days before your class begins, so you don't get lost. Arrive to campus a half hour or an hour before your class begins, so that you can find the room number. The fifth tip is, keep your undivided attention on the professor. Don't text or talk to your classmates while your professor is speaking. You want to make a good impression, and some professors are very offended by that type of behavior. Take notes while your professor is speaking. Professors like to see students actively engaged in the course. The sixth tip is, read the syllabus. Read the entire syllabus and write down exam dates, quiz dates, and assignment dates in a planner or on your phone. The seventh tip is, contact technical support. If you cannot log into your school email or you have trouble viewing your class website, contact the school technical department. Try not to contact the professor about technical issues the first week of the semester. The professor may not know the answer, and they will be very busy organizing their schedule, so you may not receive a response right away. Enjoy the tips, and remember to have fun. See you next time!